Action.
Welcome guys, welcome to another video of Horsie&Bear Gaming Tech. Today we're going to be following up on our motorbike videos. And I'm just going to take you through a few new modifications I've made to the bike. Come on in. As you can see, I've installed this thing here. This is called a dash cam. Right here. This records video and shows it to me on this little screen here. And there's one at the back as well, here. So hopefully we'll be able to use these videos to show you guys a better view of what happens on the actual bike. And yeah, so let's test it out and let's see what the bike actually looks like. Sadly, the quality of those dash cams audio is pretty potato, so we're gonna have to rely on the video from this particular camera that's recording me right now to actually get a better sound of it. Okay? So let's get on and have a little play. So we need our keys. I've got my keys right here. Ready? Just gonna let the engine warm up a little bit. Until then, you can have a listen to the bike. What do you think? I've installed a K&N filter on it, and that's improved the power band a little bit. Yeah. Have a look. Look at what I can see. I can see the back and the front. Now we're gonna have a little ride around, you guys can watch. Okay, that was a little ride around on my bike. I've recorded some dash cam videos as well that I'll be putting into the video as well, so you guys can have a better view of what the dash cam system looks like. It's only 1080p, so we can't really guarantee the quality will be quite as high as the camera we're using right now, but we'll try to make it as seamless as possible. So that's pretty much it for now. I'm gonna get a GoPro and hopefully take you guys off for a ride with a chest-mounted GoPro so you can actually see what I'm doing. But at this point in time, I don't have the mount for it yet. That's coming in the mail, but just because of the coronavirus issue, I'm kind of trying not to buy anything from China just yet. So I'm going to wait for this to settle down before we can start doing something in that regard. Until then, see you guys next time then. If you like this video, please consider liking the video, leave a comment if you think that you can improve on something, and do consider subscribing. I'll be uploading a whole lot of videos on my motorcycle as well as gaming and tech stuff. That's coming as well in the future. Right now I'm a bit busy with uni and stuff, but that will be coming eventually. So yeah, stay tuned and please do consider to subscribe. They're out.